In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Translate background color. We will walk through what you can and cannot control and how to actually make the background change by using your Android settings. Start by opening Google Translate on your device. Use the regular Google Translate app icon, the one with the colorful G and the word translate under it. When it opens, wait a moment for the home screen to load so you can clearly see the main translation area and the buttons for the input and output languages. Now check the background color. Look at the main part of the screen, where you type or paste text, and also the top bar. On many devices, this will be light, mostly white or very light gray, but if your phone is already set to dark mode, it may already look almost black or very dark gray. Take a second to notice how the text and buttons appear against that background, since that is exactly what will change later. Next, decide whether you want to change the background. Ask yourself if you prefer a darker view that is easier on your eyes in low light, or a lighter view that can feel clearer in bright rooms. If you already like what you see, you can keep it as it is. If you want the opposite look, keep watching, because the only way to change it is through your Android theme. To do that on your Android, we will leave the app for a moment and work in your device settings. Do not worry, Google Translate will pick up the new look automatically as soon as the theme changes. Remember, Google Translate itself has no background switch, so all the control lives in your Android display options. Open Settings on your Android. Find the Settings app on your home screen or in the app drawer, usually shown as a gray gear icon. When you tap it, the main settings list appears, with sections like Network, Apps, Notifications, and Display. This is where Android controls the overall look of the system. From there, tap Display. On the display screen, you will see options that control brightness, font size, and sometimes color or screen timeout. Somewhere on this page, there will be a dark theme option, sometimes also labeled dark mode on some devices. This is the setting that tells all supported apps whether they should use a light or dark background. Now turn dark theme on or off. If it is off and you want a dark Google Translate background, tap the switch to turn it on. If it is on and you want a light background, tap again to turn it off. The screen will usually fade or shift colors right away, so you can see the new theme across menus and supported apps without restarting anything. After that, open Google Translate again. Use the app switcher or tap the app icon to bring it back to the front. The main Translate screen should reload using the theme you just chose, with either a dark or light background behind your text and controls. At this point, the background changes automatically because Google Translate follows your Android theme instead of its own setting. You will see that the text, icons, and buttons now sit on the new background color, and anytime you switch dark theme in Android, Google Translate will update in the same way without any extra steps. So now you have seen how to change Google Translate background color by switching your Android dark theme on or off. If this helped you get the look you wanted in Translate, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple walkthroughs like this.